let's start diving into how to use ChatGPT to start developing high quality ad copy. So, just like we did in the previous example, we went through and used it to help put together some really quality sales copy for our landing page. Now, let's do the same thing and start getting ad copy that we want to help sell that very same product. So, you can go to the Notion file that I've attached into the course, and you'll see a handful of different examples. So, we got articles, LinkedIn, Canva, prompts for branding, landing page design, sales copy, etc. In this example, you can just come here and start copying one of these as a starting point. Use this and sort of fill in the blanks. So we're going to go over to this. We have our existing feed that's sort of been used. I'm actually going to go back to the baby wipes one because this is, which one is it? Let's see here. This one. We're doing the ones for Huggies. Yep, sorry, I'm clicking around everywhere. Okay, so here we went through, we put in the main prompt that we talked about in the previous video. Now we're going to hide this. We're going to say we're going to put in this prompt. And want to create yep, that's for a leading brand. What we can do is we can actually take this. So we can do this. Huggies Con baby wipes. We can take a for client's product. We used in a previous example. Above, which is for babies and toddlers. Right? The mission is to write captivating copy for we'll put in Facebook ad copy just to be a little bit more specific. Sure, copy lines on the Facebook platform, blah, blah. New parents looking for wipes. All right, so we've gone through experienced copywriter with the background of Facebook copy, and we sort of giving an example, some background. We're going to do, we'll just do baby and toddler product companies. You're tasked with crafting attention-grabbing ad for our clients' product, which you've already used in the example above. So what's nice is if we actually recall out the product that we did, if we're in the same chat, it will actually use some of the information we've approved as a reference point for this, saving even more time. All right, so to go through, it'll say understand. All right, now let's go generate Facebook ad copy. The product we could just be like developed sales page 4. And then we want to provide a little bit of details. We would like we're going to say generate 3 ideas. Each of the ideas to have a primary text, headline, and CTA. Facebook ad policies and the product selected. Okay, sorry about that. Generate 3 Facebook ad copy ideas for the product we developed a sales page for, as listed above. And we would like you to create ideas to have primary text selection, headline description, and a CTA button, all aligning with the Facebook ad policies and the product selected. Okay, so when we do this, it will then go through and start to give us an outline with a handful of different pieces. All right. So some of these could be in more depth. Some of these could have more detail. And these aren't terrible, but now we already know what we want to do. We'll let it build these out. But we product actually my bad. The primary text box to provide sales and value to our target customer. Please the sales page copy I do we need to make sure that this matches, which aligns. Boom. So here we go. So now it's going to then go through and provide a little bit more detail and some different reformat to improve readability. Remove all but the core. Yeah, so there we go. So now take this format and recreate 3 ideas. Provide a 4th section which provides a videos which should be with. All right. So what we did is we're going to have it go through, recreate those ideas with a deeper level of context in the primary text section. So we're going to provide us our headlines, our descriptions, the CTA button we're going to use. We also added an additional layer. We wanted to provide image into our video section to provide maybe a designer some ideas or inspiration. Now you don't end up using those, that's fine, but at least it gives you something to run with if you might get stuck. Okay, so here we go. We have a handful of ideas. It's actually, I wrote down 4. I wrote down 3, but it's doing 4. So it'll probably go through and actually create out, all 4 variations that we have here. So we have a much better set of copy than we would have gotten before. Now, what we could do is we can just re-see this, right? If we just did really simple, like write Facebook ad copy for this product, it's going to give us really, really generic information. So this is why it's really important for us to do this. We're going to try this. Right? Write ad copy for the wipes from right. And so then you just see this is sort of like the kind of information a lot of people get. It's super long. If you want to run with it, perfect. But 9 times out of 10, shorter is likely better, especially in this market. Creative is going to be the core selling point. And so what you really want to do is have content that aligns well and actually has each of these pieces called out. So if you're looking to try to get more or better outputs, hopefully this formatting and this structure, it gives you a viewpoint into what you can do to save a ton of time when it comes to putting together some Facebook ad copy and LinkedIn and Google. All of these formats align with this. Hope it helps. Awesome. See you in the next video.